In this video, a man suddenly catches fire while cutting down a tree with a chainsaw. He thinks he's escaped by throwing the fire to the base of the tree, but shortly afterward, the tree bursts into flames. So please don't try dangerous stunts like this. The piers are designed to maintain stability while stationary. In these images, we can see that this requirement has not been met. In this footage, the truck driver immediately exits the truck to escape a sudden landslide and narrowly escapes with his life. When the landslide occurs, tons of soil and rock fragments strike the truck cab with great force, causing serious damage. This footage clearly demonstrates just how massive and dangerous a landslide can be. To prevent such incidents, high-risk areas must be thoroughly inspected by expert teams before work begins, and work permits should only be issued when appropriate conditions are met. Additionally, it is crucial for every worker to carry a walkie-talkie to ensure rapid communication in the event of a potential danger. In this video, a worker climbs into a malfunctioning machine without shutting it down, and the machine suddenly starts up again. To prevent accidents like this, sensors should automatically shut down the machine when someone enters the hazardous area. In the video, as the woman tries to squeeze through the gap under the garage door, the door suddenly swings open, and she gets caught in it and is lifted into the air. Apparently, the door opens automatically when the sensors detect a vehicle. Fortunately, the woman escapes unharmed. This incident shows just how dangerous it can be to crawl under a moving garage door. If you'd like to see more analyses like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe.